Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to pay your Citi Strata bill online. If you've got a Citi Strata credit card, you know how convenient it is for rewards and everyday spending, but let's make sure you're up to speed on handling that bill without any hassle. This process is quick, secure, and can be done right from your computer or phone in just a few minutes. So, grab your device, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to have your Citi Strata account set up. If you haven't already, head over to the Citi website or download the Citi mobile app and create an account using your card details. Once you're logged in, look for the Accounts, or Dashboard, section. It's usually right on the home screen. Here, you'll see an overview of your card balance and any due payments. Now, navigate to the Bills and Payments tab. This is where the magic happens. Click on it, and you'll find your current statement. Double-check the amount owed and the due date to avoid any late fees. Trust me, that's a headache you don't want. Next, select your payment method. You can choose to pay from a linked bank account, another credit card, or even directly from your Citi account if you have funds there. Enter the payment amount if it's not the full balance, then verify the details. Citi often has options for one-time payments or setting up autopay, which is a game changer for staying on top of things. Before you hit that Confirm button, take a second to review everything. Make sure the payment date is set correctly and that you're aware of any processing times. Once you're good to go, confirm the payment, and you'll get an instant confirmation email or notification. A quick tip: always use a secure network when handling financial stuff online to protect your information. And if you run into any issues, Citi's customer support is just a chat or call away. They're pretty helpful. There you have it. Paying your Citi Strata bill online is as easy as that. It saves time, paper, and keeps everything organized. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.